where I share each and every steps that I take in the market. And the last day also, people who subscribe, they know that taking such a BTST trade, taking such a buy today, sell tomorrow trade, we were able to book a profit of around 22.5k right at the opening bell, right at 9:20 a.m. in the morning. Hey friends, this is Ayan here and a warm welcome back to your own YouTube channel, The Delta Neutral. So in this video, very short and certainly, I'm going to share with you what kind of a trade I have taken for the coming week, what's my trade plan for the coming week and for a few weeks going ahead. Okay, so my view on the market for the coming week or the few weeks going ahead is completely bearish. Okay, so just two simple things, a candlestick chart in the weekly time frame and the Y chart. Just based upon these two simple things, I am confidently bearish on the market, and you yourself can see what kind of a position did I created. I like a mad. I have bought options. I am doing options buying, that too with a heavy quantity, with 250, which means with 5 lots quantity. And I didn't even book the profits, although this is a minor profit in terms of 5 lot of options, but still I didn't book profits, though it was a Friday, though there is an overnight risk of around 2 days. So I am going completely against the overwhelming theory of theta decay, and I am buying options 5 lots. So what are the simple points that help me gain so much of confidence on this bearish view? Okay, just two simple points. I'll try to make this video as much short as possible. First, let's have a look at the smart data. Okay, let's have a look at the smart data. Okay, so let's have a look at the Y change. Okay, at the open interest change. Okay, here you can see a very interesting thing, which can be very rarely seen in the markets. And whenever such things happen in the markets, okay, option buyers option buyers always option buyers always hook their sticks high in the market. Okay, so what kind of a thing can be seen here? We can see that at the money strike price, at the 17,000 ATM strike price, there is an unwinding, there is a covering, and there is a short covering in both the call and the put options. Okay, people have unwinded, option sellers have unwinded both the 17,000 call option and the 17,000 put option as well, which means they have unwinded the short straddles. They have unwinded the straddles over there. Whenever people are closing their short straddles, there is a possibility that those straddle sellers, those option sellers, those net option sellers, they are with a view that this time the market is going to move widely on either sides, which means the straddles price is definitely going to increase. Therefore they are covering the straddles, they are unwinding the straddles. So a straddle unwinding is a very rare phenomena in the market, which always makes us sure that this time definitely a heavy momentum move is going to come in the market. Now, on which side is the momentum move going to come? So now let's have a look that what are the options in which there is an unwinding. Okay, you can see that there is a very little unwinding in the call options at the 16,800 levels, the 16,750 levels, or the 16,700 levels. Okay, there is a certain amount of unwinding, but you can see there is a significant unwinding in the 17,000 put options and in the 17,100 put options. Okay, there is a significant unwinding over here, which means put sellers over here, they are already afraid of the fact that the market is going to go downwards from this points, and the prices of this contracts of this put options is definitely going to increase from the current price. Okay, so a put unwinding at the 17,100 and 17,000 levels, followed with a straddle unwinding, which means a momentum move is going to come. Okay, so this was the first thing which pushed me to take a bearish trade. Okay, which pushed me to take a bearish trade. And then comes the price action. Okay, let me make all these things invisible because these things may sound quite confusing. I'm trying to make this video small, and I'm only showing you what's my view after looking at the weekly time frame. See, if we look at the weekly time frame, it's cleanly, there was a kind of momentum decrease for the last two candles. Okay, for this last two candles, there was a kind of momentum decrease of this bearish move, but then again there is a regain in momentum. then again this bearish momentum has got a continuation push. Okay, it got a continuation push. I have searched for such similar pattern in the earlier dates from this chart, and I was able to see that whenever such things happened, it is followed by a heavy bearish movement. See, we can never predict when an earthquake is going to come, but once it comes, what we can predict is what amount of tremors are we going to get, what amount of resultant vibrations are we going to get after that earthquake. Okay, so I have searched for such similar pattern, and I have marked them with such green colored rectangle. Okay, so let me show you one such sample. Okay, so let me move to the past time frames. Okay, so here I am able to see one. Okay, yeah, this one can be a great example. Okay, this one. Okay, here you can see that after a bull market, okay, here you can see that after a bull market, okay, a correction was just starting right at here. These two candles just similar as the one right now. These two candles, there was a momentum decrease followed by a continuation in the momentum, and after that you yourself can see what had happened. Okay, so I have searched for 100 occurrences of such similar pattern in the chart. I am not going to show all of them as this video is going to be lengthy in that case. And these two things, pretty simple. These two things, they have pushed me to take such a trade, to take such a risk, rather when even I have a possibility of making my money, making my capital, it's half. Okay, but at the same time I may have a chance to make my capital double. Okay, so I have such kind of an aggressive trade for the first time, and hence I am sharing this trade, hence I am recording each and every steps. I am not going to show you the price action analysis in detail. I'll show you it uh, at some later point of time, in case if the trade goes correct, in case if the trades end up in profit. And people who already subscribe to my Telegram channel, they already know this trade details. I have shared them. Okay, I have shared them already in my Telegram channel, where I share each and every steps that I take in the market. And the last day also, people who subscribe, they know that taking such a BTST trade, taking such a buy today sell tomorrow trade, we were able to book a profit of around 22.5k right at the opening bell, right at 9:20 a.m. in the morning, just when the market opened. We created this position on 22nd of December and booked it at 23rd of December. Using only 5 lots, this was our profit. In case we could have used 10 lots, we could have managed a profit of around 50k or something like that. Okay, so this time also I have taken an aggressive trade, because this simple things compelled me to take such a directional trade. This time the market is giving me a chance to utilize the momentum move, so I'll not create delta neutral positions right now, where I will have a risk to adjust my positions. Okay, whenever I'll feel that there is a less risk to adjust positions, to make adjustments, at that those point of times I'll go for delta neutral positions. But this time the market is giving you an opportunity to utilize its momentum move, so I felt I should take such a trade. Some people may ask me, why didn't I shorted call options? The answer is simple. I am a trader with very low capital. I am a failed trader. Okay, these are the reasons I am trying to increase smaller amount of capital to a greater one. I am not going to go for the story of a limited profit unlimited risk case. This time I'm not being an option seller, because in case if the market rebounds, the volatility skew is reversing. And I in case if my view goes wrong, in case if I am short on call options, the pain can be greater with a greater amount of capital involved. Okay, so therefore I have just got for put options buying, and I know that in case if the market starts going downwards from this levels, there will be a heavy fear in the market, there will be heavy fear mood in the market, which can multiply the put prices, which can multiply the time value, not the intrinsic one, but the time value of the put options. Okay, so these are the simple logic. So whatever happens to this trade, okay, whatever happened to these trades, okay, I'll share each and everything right on Monday at my Telegram channel. So please don't forget to subscribe to my Telegram channel. I have posted the link in the description given below. And in case if the trades end up in profits or whatever, in case if also if it ends up in loss, I'll try to manage it, and I'll share each and every details of this trade in the next video. This video I tried to keep a little bit short, and I just try to inform you that what kind of a trade had I taken and what kind of a view do I have on the market going forward. So happy beers. So see you on the next video and see you right after Monday, and stay tuned to Telegram, stay tuned to YouTube. Please don't forget to hit the bell icon so that whenever I'll make the next video, whether it ends up in profit or in loss, you will get notified ASAP. And people who enjoyed the 22.5k profit, great thanks to them. It's your appreciation which pushed me hard to take such trades, to make such profits. Okay, it's your inspiration which helping me. It's just a little endeavor to stand beside little traders like us. So please share this channel as much as possible with your friends. Please do subscribe, please do like, please do share. Thanks for watching. That's all for today, my friends. See you in the next video.